Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to see the operating system details or configuration of your operating system or Windows 11 or any other Windows. So for that we have short key, you have to click window plus R. So while you click that window plus R, it will show like this interface. In that you have to write ms info 32. Now you have to click OK. Sometimes it is not written with ms info 32. Sometimes you have to write it. So now you have to click OK. Then it will show like this interface. Now here you can go through the details which you want. It will show all the configurations which is related to your PC. So here you can check the PC has what number of RAMs and what it has a hard disk label, everything. So how was the video? Please do comment. Thank you.